On some of the newest listings in our portfolio, we are poised to double our bookings in 2026. Not by luck, but by using 7 specific strategies that are proven to work right now. And after hosting over 10,000 guests over the past decade and auditing over 100 listings over the past 12 months, I've tested 19 different ways to increase bookings. So 12 of them didn't work or worked but barely moved the needle. But 7 of them, well, these 7 actually doubled our bookings. And they're backed by data, real numbers from real properties. So if you want to double your Airbnb bookings in 2026, here are the 7 data-backed strategies that actually work. And one of them actually tripled our search visibility overnight. And these are the same strategies I'm using right now. So let's walk through them. And strategy number 1, turn on instant booking. And this is the biggest one. And look, y'all, I resisted instant booking for over a year after launching our first Airbnb. And, frankly, y'all, I told myself we needed to vet our guests. I really don't want just anyone booking our properties. So we kept it off and our calendar stayed partially empty while some of our competitors, they were much more booked than we were. And here's what I didn't understand. Airbnb's algorithm doesn't just prefer instant book, it massively prioritizes it. And when I audited over 100 listings, instant book properties ranked an average of 40% higher in the search results than identical listings without it. And here's the stat that kind of changed everything for me. Instant book listings, well, they receive 3 times more impressions. 3 times. That's because roughly 62% of high intent travelers filter specifically for instant book. And if you have it turned off, you're invisible to the most motivated buyers on the market. And when we turn on instant booking on all of our properties, within 2 weeks, our bookings doubled. Not because our listings changed, but because Airbnb started showing them to 3 times more people. Now, this is where most hosts will panic. They may say things like, hey, well, what about bad guests? And I have to tell you, I worried about that too. But after analyzing our over 10,000 guest stays, we found no real statistical difference in damage or really negative reviews between instant book guests and guests who request to book our properties. None at all, as long as you set the requirements. So here's what we require. Government ID verified, positive reviews from other guests, no negative reviews over the past year. And if a guest doesn't meet those, they can't instant book. They have to send an inquiry and we get the opportunity to either accept or decline it. And y'all, we're not just taking anyone. We're letting pre-qualified guests book without additional friction. And that one change tripled our visibility and doubled our bookings. So turn on instant booking, set the requirements, and watch your calendar fill up. And strategy number 2 is to use all 50 characters in your listing title. And when I say use them, I mean use them strategically. And when we first started Airbnb, we had titles like this: Cozy Downtown Apartment. That's just 24 characters, meaning I left 26 characters unused. And here's the mistake I was making. Guests don't search for cozy, they search for solutions. Things like pet-friendly, fast Wi-Fi, walking distance, 5 minutes to their favorite location. And in 2026, only the first 35 characters will show on mobile. And if your solution isn't there, you're going to get skipped. So naturally, because we run a serious business where, look, y'all, we are in this to make money, we changed our strategy. So whereas our old title said something like Cozy Downtown Apartment, our new title will say something like Pet-Friendly Downtown Loft, Fast Wi-Fi, 5 minutes to nightlife. 49 characters. Within 1 week, our search impressions increased by 34%. Our click-through rate jumped 22%. Same listing, different framing. And so y'all, here is the formula. Immediate benefit, specific proximity, unique hook. And guests will value time certainty more than anything else. So when you say something like 5 minutes to beats close to every single time. And if you want to win on this, you have to use the words that guests are filtering for and put the most important word first. Now, let's keep moving to the third strategy. And your first 5 photos decide everything. That's because guests will decide in 5 to 7 seconds whether to explore or to continue scrolling past. And the data shows that 80% never make it past photo 5. And so your first 5 photos must tell the complete story. And here's how to do it. Photo 1 is your money shot. Photo 2 is your unique amenity. Photo 3 is where they sleep. Photo 4 is the bathroom. bathroom. Now we're talking about clean, bright, hotel grade bathrooms. Photo 5 is the kitchen or living space. Now, after reordering our photos in this way, our click-through rate increased by 25%. Same photos, just different order. And y'all, people aren't interested in your exterior shots. They kind of find those a little bit boring. So lead with the room that makes someone say, hey, I want to stay there. And the fourth strategy is to verify your Wi-Fi speed. And this feature has existed for years, but I didn't jump on it immediately. And that was a mistake because fast Wi-Fi is one of Airbnb's most used filters. Airbnb's own data showed that this filter was used 288 million times last year. And if your speed test isn't verified, you will not show up in this. And I tested this across 3 properties. The 2 with verified speeds, well, they received 40% more remote worker inquiries and also much longer stays. It takes about 30 seconds to do this. So verify it, get that badge, and reduce those questions. Let's get going. Strategy 5 is flexible cancellation. And for many years, we ran on a strict cancellation policy because, real talk, y'all, it felt much safer to do it this way. But the data shows that flexible listings receive 25 to 40% more impressions. And these listings convert 1.5 times better than listings with a strict cancellation policy. And that is because roughly 60% of guests will filter for flexibility. And when we tested this, our impressions skyrocketed and our bookings improved as a result of it as well. Yes, we did get more cancellations, but the net annual revenue is 5 to 10% higher as a result of this. If you have gaps on your calendar that you're trying to fill, switch to a flexible cancellation policy. Now, the 6th strategy is to respond within 60 minutes. And if you're taking up to a day to reply to a guest, well, that is no longer competitive in 2026. And if we're really looking at this closely, if your response time exceeds 1 hour, conversion drops 60%. That's because guests tend to message multiple hosts. So the first response usually will win the booking. And y'all, because a lot of the messages that we get tend to be the same, we build a system that responds on our behalf. And so the guests are getting the information that they need almost instantly. What I want you to remember from this video is 1 hour, 60 minutes or less is the new standard in 2026. And strategy number 7 is your recent review momentum. That is because the age of your last review matters more than your total number of reviews. So listing without fresh reviews will tend to slide down on the Airbnb rankings every week. So the system that we designed for our business is to make sure that we're getting reliable 5-star reviews from every single guest that stay at our properties. That's because fresh and positive reviews is the strongest signal that you can send to a potential guest that's looking at your property. So turn on instant booking, fix your titles, 50 characters or less. Get those first 5 photos because they tell the entire story. Verify your Wi-Fi speed. Shift to a flexible cancellation policy. Respond within 60 minutes or less. Ask every guest to leave you a 5-star review. These are the 7 strategies that will double your bookings in 2026. All right, and if you're setting up your listing and you need a little help, maybe you have some questions about what items do I need versus which of those items we can ignore, right? We've put together a setup checklist and you can grab it down below. It tells you exactly what you need and every single thing that you can just ignore because they have no impact on your bookings or on your revenue. The link is in the description. Go and grab it right now. And y'all, you could do all 7 of these things perfectly and still get buried. And that is because Airbnb tracks 7 invisible signals that most hosts never see. And I break down all 7 in this next video. So if your bookings are inconsistent, well, this video is the one you should watch next because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. See you over there.